What else? You get other shapes.
You put the shape in the right place. Go. Pick one.
Yeah, the pink one oval. And there.
Very
You get
good.
what shape is that?
Oh,
Oval. Very good.
Pick one. Pick a shape.
the heart.
It's a heart. Where's the heart? Where is it?
Yes.
Yeah, very
Yes.
good.
And the back.
You know, you get all the shapes. Put it here. This one. This is a star. You put the star. You put the star. Hurry up.
That is orange.
It's color orange. Oh, you put the star now. Sige na. Where's the star? Yan. This one is? That one is? This one?
It's color.
Green.
What shape is that? That's a?
You did it.
This one.
We did it.
We did it. Where is it?
Yes.
What shape is this?